Hey there, it's Dave, working on another episode of Harpoon Dreams, and I'm here at our local favorite uh, marine hardware, sailing hardware store on Hudson Bend Road, right by our club. And I'm very excited today. I am going to try to raise the sails on our boat. But first, I'm here to buy an anchor, a rode, and a painter for the boat. And if I can get the sails up today, if there's still a ton of daylight left, I might try to back it into the water. But probably I'll just get the sails up, bring them down, cover them up again, and then head home and come back another day, put the boat in the water. So here we go. All right, did my shopping. I'm excited. And a couple of things I gotta tell you. You guys, here at our club, the Austin Yacht Club, right up the road, about 5 minutes away, there's a nautical hardware store where they sell everything related to sailing. And everybody here loves that shop and they trust that shop. And you can go there and you get help and nobody laughs at you for asking dumb questions. And it's really great. And they're not going to rip you off because they have this really close relationship with everybody here at our club, and they want to maintain that, and we want to maintain that. So we give them business and they treat us right. So your club or where you sail probably has the same thing. It's important to keep those things going. Doesn't matter the name of it. I'm not trying to publicize any particular store. I'm just trying to, it's great to order things off Amazon or what have you, but sometimes you don't know what you want. And it's important to maintain stores like that locally, especially now when mom and pop stores are under threat because of the virus, the pandemic. So it's important to maintain that type of competition. Hey there, how you doing? So they helped me out. I didn't know what kind of anchor I wanted. I didn't know if I needed rope or chain, and I learned something from them. So here's what I learned. You probably have seen that sailboats, they have an anchor that has a pivoting shaft on it, and then they have a segment of chain, like 5 or 10 feet of chain, and then they have maybe 100 feet of rope. Why is that? Why is it a rope to a chain to an anchor? And he taught me that, and here's the reason. I'll show you right here. Here's what he sold me for my 17-foot sailboat, a number 7 galvanized anchor. I forget what this is called. I think it's a sand anchor or something like that. You have a chain here because if you just connect the rope to the anchor, it's going to do this in the sand, and it's not going to want to dig in as you pull or as you drift. Whereas if you have this chain, right? This is like 5 pounds of chain right here. It's going to hold it down. And as you pull it, it's going to hold it against the floor of the sand or the pebbles or what have you. And it's going to cause this anchor to dig in. And that's why the rode of an anchor is a chain and then a rope. So I learned that today. I wanted to share that with you guys. God, it's a beautiful day here. It's a bit warm, as you can see. I'm sweating, but it feels good. And so here's the report. You saw my anchor and my rode and my line, and I got my painter installed here on the boat. And here's the anchor and the rode. All worked out perfectly. It's 100 feet of line. The gentleman down the way there had a little bit of a bigger catamaran than this. And he said, just leave it at 100 feet and tie it off where you need it. So I just went with it. So that was great. And right now I'm just replacing the belts that hold. Here she is. She's all rigged. She's all rigged. Let me go to the other side so you can see it better. I thought I was going to have to re-rig the main sheet. I already rigged the rudder control, the centerboard control lines, The vang looks okay. I thought I was going to have to re-rig the main sheet, and I will eventually, but it looks usable for now. My youth that helped me, my college student helper, he rigged my rudder. Can't put it on right now, but we're going to go ahead and, I'm going to put these belts I bought that go across the boat to hold it to the trailer, and that should take a minute or two, and then I'm going to try and raise the sails. I know I might get into a little bit of trouble, so I'm going to be real careful. I have my my main halyard is in place. It doesn't appear to be rigged properly. I might have to fix that. Yeah, I don't know about that. Well, we'll see how that goes. And I have my jib halyard right here, for sure is rigged properly. So I'm going to go ahead and try and raise the sails in a minute. Alright, here I am. I'm going to try and raise the jib. See what it looks like. See if there's anything in the way, anything that's not rigged properly. It's not a roller furler, so it should be pretty simple. It's a snap-on jib. That doesn't work. Where the hell was this thing attached? There we go. I think here we go, sort of. Oh, first I gotta put the first I gotta put the sheets on. Right back. I have red and green jib sheets. Isn't that cool? All right. Been waiting for this for months and months and months. It's gonna be fun. So, good knot. That's a good knot. There we go. Need a little bit more. There we go. That's a good knot. Okay. And this one. Am I in your way?
No, you're good. I'm just going to go spot him.
Okay.
I love it when the one is empty. I think the J70 moved to the other, about a clean spot. Turn. Yep, you're good to turn.
So I got the jib up and I learned a couple things. I am missing a piece here to hold the tack of the jib, and yeah. And then the other thing is I have way too much jib sheet, so that's okay. I'll cut it off and keep spares or something like that. I wasn't able to go ahead and get the main up. I'm running out of light here. I don't want to start that. It's going to take me a while to cover up the boat again, so I'm going to concentrate on that during the week. I'll grab these extra parts and I will try to raise the jib during the week. I feel real motivated now, so things should go more smoothly and more quickly now. I'm hoping we can go sailing maybe next weekend. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have a great day.